A very good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to start with a new chapter, Clean World. Now you all know that we all survive in the environment. क्या होता है environment? The surroundings, right? Environment include both the components, living as well as non-living, right? So if we talk about living, we have plants, we have animals, and if we talk about non-living, we have land, we have air, we have water. All these are non-living, right? और human beings are also part of environment. लेकिन आजकल क्या हो रहा है? आजकल environment is changing. Why? Due to rise in population, right? Because of the increase in population क्या हो रहा है? More houses are being made. और houses बनाने के लिए land कहाँ से आ रही है? The land is coming because we are cutting down the trees. Human beings are responsible. They are doing deforestation. Trees are being cut. New factories are being made to fulfill the demands of the human beings. And also कि number of vehicles are also increasing nowadays, right? और उससे क्या हो रहा है? Smoke which is being produced is also being increasing. तो उससे क्या हो रहा है कि garbage is also increasing. So the harmful substances are going on increasing, in land, air and water, right? And they are causing what? Pollution, because they are adversely affecting the environment, right? So the harmful substances, the presence of harmful substances in land, water and air that can cause discomfort or harmful to the human beings and other living organisms, उसे हम क्या कहेंगे? Pollution. और इसका मेन कॉज यही है, बिकॉज ऑफ द राइजिंग पॉपुलेशन, जिसकी वजह से हार्मफुल सब्सटेंसेस बढ़ते जा रहे हैं, स्मोक बढ़ती जा रही है, द गार्बेज इज इंक्रीजिंग, number of vehicles which are being used are continuously increasing, and because of the presence of these harmful substances we call it as pollution. और जो harmful substances present होते हैं, जो pollute कर रहे हैं land, air and water को, उन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं? Pollutants, which are adversely affecting the environment. Is that thing clear to you? So what is pollution? Pollution is the presence of harmful substances in air, water and land that can cause discomfort to the human beings and other living organisms. और pollutants क्या होते हैं? Pollutants are the harmful substances which pollute air, water and land, and they are degrading the quality of the environment, right? On the basis of the presence of the harmful substances, where they are present, if they are present in air we call it as air pollution, if they are present in water we call it as water pollution, and if they are present in land we have the land pollution. So pollution is of three types: air, water and land. Now you know that अब air के अंदर pollution बढ़ता जा रहा है क्योंकि हम ज़्यादा vehicles use कर रहे हैं, ज़्यादा fossil fuels burn कर रहे हैं. Fossil fuel burn करने से क्या हो रहा है? उनमें से gases which are harmful gases are being released out, and that is why they are causing what? Air pollution. तो harmful substances बढ़ रहे हैं air के अंदर, तो we call it as air pollution. And if we talk about water, जो people seas और oceans और lakes के पास रहते हैं, वो क्या करते हैं? वो अपना सारा का सारा garbage उसमें throw कर देते हैं, and it is adversely affecting the organisms, especially the aquatic plants and animals. Is that thing clear? तो वो क्या है? वाटर पोल्यूशन है. फैक्ट्रीज का सारा वेस्ट वाटर में डिस्पोज ऑफ किया जा रहा है, तो वो क्या हो रहा है? वो वाटर पोल्यूशन ही तो है. हार्मफुल सब्सटेंसेस आर देयर इन द वाटर एंड विच इज पोल्यूटिंग द वाटर. इट्स वाटर पोल्यूशन. एंड इफ यू टॉक अबाउट लैंड के अंदर देखो, हम सॉइल के अंदर फर्टिलाइजर्स यूज कर रहे हैं, केमिकल्स आर बीइंग यूज्ड, दे आर एडवर्सली इफेक्टिंग. एंड स्पेशली इफ यू टॉक अबाउट द पीपल आर थ्रोइंग द गार्बेज हियर एंड देयर. उससे क्या हो रहा है? इट इज बेसिकली द लैंड पोल्यूशन. तो इसका मतलब क्या है? जो हार्मफुल सब्सटेंसेस प्रेजेंट होते हैं, अगर वो एयर के अंदर है तो वी कॉल इट एज एयर पोल्यूशन, एंड if they are present in water we call it as water pollution, and if they are present in land we call it as land pollution. So you have to remember what is pollution, what are pollutants, and what are the three type of pollution. In the next class we will learn each type of pollution separately, what are the different causes, and at the end we'll be learning about the steps to prevent the pollution. right? So for your homework, you'll be reading 2 pages which are introductory page for this chapter, that is 110 and 111. I hope the basic part is clear to you. Thank you so much.